To do a front post double crochet cluster, it's a double crochet, front post double crochet, and double crochet. And you're doing all of this into the same stitch and the same post. So you're going to go through the top of the stitch and do a double crochet. And then into the same post of the stitch, you're going to do a front post double crochet. And then into the same stitch you did the first double crochet, which is right here, you can see that. You're going to do your double crochet into that same stitch. And bada boom, bada bang, you got double crochet, front post, and then double crochet. And that is how you do a front post double crochet cluster. Now for the back post double crochet cluster, it's the opposite, obviously, with the back post, but you're doing a double crochet, back post, double crochet, double crochet. So you do a double crochet into the stitch, like a normal stitch, and then you go into the post and do a back post, double crochet, and then you go back and do a double crochet into that same stitch that you just did a double crochet in. Boom, bam. And so it's going to look like this on the wrong side, and then you turn it around and you can see it pokes out in the back. But it'll make more sense once you do the sweater because everything will be on the wrong side and then everything will be on the right side. So everything that you do with this front post cluster will be on the right side. Everything you do with the back post cluster will be on the wrong side. So it will look and make more sense. But yeah, anyway, that's it.